HIZERO recommends disposing of waste after use. After using HIZERO to clean your floors, empty the dirty water tank. Add clean water and shake to clean. If the tank is stained, scrub the inner walls with the cleaning brush and water. Refill the clean water tank. Add HIZERO cleaning solution if desired. Secure the cover and reinstall the tank. Open the cleaning head lid with one press, remove the solid waste container, and sweep debris into a trash bin using the cleaning brush. Remove the hair collection roller. Use the broader side of the brush comb to push and pull the hair out. Then, reinstall the hair collection roller and solid waste container, ensuring the clips are secure. Close the cleaning head lid and use the wheels to place the machine on the base.